Dear students, this is the lecture number 4, Inverse Trigonometric Functions. In this lecture, we will see how can trigonometric functions becomes 1, 1 and 1, 2. We know that sine function, sine R2R is not 1, 1 and not 1, 2. Real numbers pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Similarly, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, and minus 2 pi. Range of sine function is minus 1 to plus 1. So minus 1 and plus 1 pointed on y-axis. The lowest value of sine function is minus 1 and the highest value of sine function is plus 1. So the range of sine function is minus 1 to plus 1. Fx is equal to sine x. F pi by 2. If x equal to pi by 2, then answer is 1. F0, answer is 0. F pi, sin pi, answer is 0. F2 pi, value of sine 2 pi is also 0. F3 pi by 2, sine 3 pi by 2, value is minus 1. F minus pi by 2, if we take x equal to minus pi by 2, then sine minus pi by 2, the value of sine minus pi by 2 is minus 1. F minus pi, sine minus pi, value is 0. F minus 3 pi by 2, sine minus 3 pi by 2, value is plus 1. F minus 2 pi, sine minus 2 pi, value is 0. Here you can see, if x equal to pi by 2, then value of f pi by 2 is 1, so the y coordinate is 1. So pi by 2 is corresponding with 1. 0 is corresponding with 0. Pi is corresponding with 0. Two pi is corresponding with 0. 3 pi by 2 is corresponding with minus 1. Zero is corresponding with 0. Minus pi by 2 is corresponding with minus 1. Minus pi is corresponding with 0. Minus 3 pi by 2 is corresponding with 1. Minus 2 pi is corresponding with 2 pi. Minus 2 pi is corresponding with 0. Join all these points. So graph of sine x This is the graph of sin x, y is equal to sin x. From this graph, you can see that y is equal to sin x, मतलब sin function is intersecting the x axis in more than one point. So sin function is not 1 1. Sin function is not 1 1. Now check here. What is the range of sin function? The range of sin function is equal to -1 to +1, and the domain of sin function is R. Sorry, codomain of sin function is R. So range and domain are not equal. Here range is equal to not codomain. So sin function is not 1 1 and not on 2. So inverse of sine does not exist. If we want to the inverse of sine function, we shall take the domain of sine function is -π/2 to +π/2 instead of R. If we want to define the inverse of sine function, we shall take the domain of sine function is -π/2 to +π/2 instead of R. So this is the restriction of domain. We are taking -π/2 to +π/2 closed interval as a domain of sine function instead of R. So function becomes 1 1. So sine function becomes 1 1. Remember that the domain of sine function is R, but we want to make it this function 1 1, so the domain will be restricted, and the new domain of sine function is -π/2 to +π/2. In this function sine becomes 1 1. The codomain of sine function is R. The codomain of sine function is R. So we have to take -1 to +1 instead of r. So this function becomes, so sine function becomes onto. In this way, sine, the restricted domain is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, and the range of sine function is minus 1 to plus 1. So sine minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, 2 minus 1 to plus 1 now becomes 1 1 and on 2. You can see here, basically sine function is, the domain of sine function is r and the codomain of sine function is r, but we want to this function 1 1 and on 2. So the restricted domain is taken minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 and the codomain is minus 1 to plus 1. In this way, sine function becomes 1 1 and on 2. Hence, its inverse exists, and inverse of sine function defined as under sine inverse minus 1 to plus 1 to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Notice the change of domain and codomain of sine function and sine inverse. The domain, the restricted domain of sine function is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 will be the range of sine inverse. The range of sine function is minus 1 to plus 1 now becomes the domain of sine inverse. If function is f a to b, then its inverse becomes b to a. Similarly, sine minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, 2 minus 1 to plus 1 is 1 1 and on 2. That is why its inverse, sine inverse is exist, and the domain of sine inverse is minus 1 to plus 1 and the range of sine inverse is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. In this way, sine function becomes 1 1 and on 2, and its inverse can be obtained this way. The restricted domain of sine function is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. The restricted domain of sine function is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. But you can take pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 also, or minus 3 pi by 2 to minus pi by 2, it is also granted. You can take so many intervals like that. In these intervals, sine function becomes 1 1. In general, two k minus 1 pi by 2 to 2k plus 1 pi by 2, where k belongs to z, as a restricted domain of sine function is taken. So the value of sine functions, so the see here, in general 2k minus 1 by 2 value of k, suppose k is 0, then the domain is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. If k is equal to 1, then 2 minus 1 pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, the second interval. In this way you can take the different values of k from z and you can get the different restricted domain of sine. Sine inverse minus 1 to plus 1, 2 minus pi by 2, 2 plus pi by 2 is defined, and sine inverse x is equal to y if x is equal to sine y. The value of y, which is belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, this is the first interval, is called the principal value of sine inverse x. You can take pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2 to minus pi by 2, any interval which, but this is the principal domain or principal value of sine inverse x if y belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, and its graph is called the principal value branch of sine inverse x. Some properties of sine inverse. See here, sine inverse and sine theta is equal to theta. Look here, sine and it inverse sine inverse. So it is the composition of sine function and sine inverse is equal to theta if theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, otherwise not. Sine theta, composition of sine and sine inverse is equal to theta. We know that f inverse of f is equal to identity function, where I is identity function. This is the composition of function and yet inverse function. Similarly, sine and sine inverse. What is the difference? What is the difference in these two example? Here sine inverse as an outer function, and in this illustration sine is as an outer function. Now we say composition of sine inverse and sine is equal to theta if theta belongs to minus 1 to plus 1. If sine is as an outer function, then the inner component should be minus 1 to plus 1. And if sine inverse as an outer function, then the inner component or inner number should be belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. See some example. For example, sine inverse and sine pi by 6. is equal to pi by 6 or not? Yes, it is equal to pi by 6 because pi by 6 belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. See here, sine inverse is a outer function. So the range of sine inverse is, what is the range of sine inverse? The range of sine inverse is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So this theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. That is why we can composite it and getting answer pi by 6. But sine inverse sine pi by 6. Now you can see 5 pi by 6 does not belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. That is why is equal to not 5 pi by 6, because 5 pi by 6 does not belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Second illustration, sine in sine inverse 0.6. Now function sine, basic function is outer function. The range of sine function is minus 1 to plus 1. So we have to check that 0.6 belongs to minus 1 to plus 1 or not. Yes, 0.6 belongs to minus 1 to plus 1. That is why the composition is possible. We can composite it. But sine and sine inverse 1.6 is equal to not 1.6 because outer function is sine and the range of sine function is minus 1 to plus 1. 1.6 does not belongs to minus 1 to plus 1. That is why is equal to not 1.6 and the composition is not possible.